Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe. I wanted to do a quick video just on why I believe vacation rentals is going to bounce back from this COVID crisis. And the first reason is that I think that there's going to be an onslaught, hopefully, I hope, of people that are going to be looking at vacation rentals when they have not looked at a vacation rental before in the past. Especially those people that love the cruises, they've been on cruises. There's a lot of people that are not going to want to go on cruises anymore. And even people that love going to hotels and usually stay in hotels, they might not want to stay in hotels anymore because of just how many people are going in and out of those doors, how many close quarters you are, sharing coffee with people in the lobby, sharing keys with people, just things like that. I think people are going to think twice about going on cruises and staying in hotels, and they're going to look to vacation rentals. They're going to look to single family home or private situations, people that have a really high standard of cleaning, like our property and like a lot of them out there that really make that known. So I think that's one reason. So I also think this is going to weed out the bad hosts. This is the second reason. So there's a lot of bad hosts out there. There's a lot of people that have had bad experiences with vacation rentals because they have bad hosts and they've had bad experiences. So when all the bad hosts get out of the business, the ones that are burnt out, the ones that are not passionate about it, then it's going to make people's overall experiences staying at vacation rentals better. It's going to increase the reputation of vacation rentals in general, and the supply is going to go down, which is going to help those that stay in the game. So the last reason that I'll mention is that what's going to happen when this whole COVID-19 thing is over with or subsides substantially and everything kind of is going back. Well, Americans that have been stuck in their houses for the last weeks, whatever, they're going to want to get out of their house and go somewhere new and fresh and have some fun. Their vacation plans that all got messed up, canceled, things like that, they're going to want to book a vacation. They're going to want to go on a vacation. And, Americans, they love to work hard and they love to play hard. And that's something that is not going to change. While there is going to be a new normal, I don't think people wanting to go on vacations is going to change. So people will come back looking for a vacation. They're going to be looking for a place that is, a great experience. And I think vacation rentals is where it's at. So if you're a host, if you're a guest, wondering about vacations, what vacations are going to look like, I think you should be looking at vacation rentals for your next vacation. And definitely check out our Mad Men Beach House, Mad Men Magic Kingdom House, which is down in Disney, and then again building Mad Men Lake House in Deep Creek Lake. So we'd love to host you.